मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि द बॉलीवुड आई ग्रू अप विद इज नो लॉन्गर द बॉलीवुड इट इज राइट नाउ. I don't know if you identify as part of the industry specifically or if you do from the outside, but I feel like अब India is a convenience economy. जब मेरे को ब्लड टेस्ट घर पे कराना है तो मैं पिक्चर देखने बाहर क्यों जाऊंगा जब मेरे टीवी पे लग रही है वो. एंड आई सॉ दिस एटीट्यूड स्पेसिफिकली इन माई सेल्फ व्हेन आई वाज लिविंग अब्रॉड. क्या होता था, एवरीबडी वांटेड टू गो वॉच मूवीज, चलो बाहर चलते हैं. क्यों, इतना बड़ा टीवी लगा है, घर पे देखते हैं ना, क्या मंगाना है खाने को. एंड दिस इज अ वेरी इंडियन सॉर्ट ऑफ आउटलुक टू लाइफ. And so my hypothesis as to why people are not watching movies in cinemas because we are largely a convenience driven culture. We like things easy. सब कुछ घर पे है तो मूवी क्यों नहीं घर पे है. And what Amazon, Netflix and the likes have allowed us to do is stream great cinema directly.
Yep.
Do you think that Bollywood is roughly on the decline as it once were and is now in a place where it needs to reshape itself with more realistic content, with more like more grounded cinema like Maqbool and such?
History is proof that everything in life has had to reinvent itself. Everything is cyclical. Even if you go back to the times of Dilip Kumar Saab, वो 50s में 60s में अलग किस्म की फिल्में बनती थी. देन केम कलर्ड सिनेमा, फिर 70s आया. एंड जनरली इन लाइफ एवरीथिंग हैज़ टू री इन्वेंट इट सेल्फ. आई पार्टली अग्री विद द फैक्ट दैट वी आर ऑल्सो सॉर्ट ऑफ ड्रिवन बाय कन्वीनियंस. बट सिमिलरली लाइफ में बहुत सारी ऐसी चीज़ें हैं, आप खाना घर पे मंगा के खा सकते हो, लेकिन देयर कम्स अ टाइम व्हेन यू एक्चुअली वांट टू स्टेप आउट, take in an ambience, probably dress up, give yourself that break and be a part of this thing called society, because we are social animals. Similarly, in the world of cinema, the kind of community viewing experience that you get in a cinema hall cannot be matched even with the biggest and the best home theater systems. वो फर्क रहेगा हमेशा. COVID also sort of reiterated the fact that yes, at the click of a button, you can watch things at your convenience. But there are certain experiences which you only get in a cinema hall. I haven't been a part of these superhero movies which are labeled currently as experience watching. But my experience with my own film, 12th Fail, in a cinema hall and in front of a TV has been very different. That art form, when you're watching it with the community, with a certain sense of discipline wherein you are asked to switch off your phone, you are asked to focus on whether you like it or not.
Right.
You are asked to focus on an art form, a story, or lives which are taking shape in front of you. You will take it in a very different way in comparison to what you will do in front of your television sets. वो unmatched है. Decline है. Yes, during COVID there were people who jumped the gun, said, oh, Bollywood is finished, Bollywood is over. Then came a time wherein regional cinema took precedence. South is going to rule. South is going to do this. Bollywood is finished. They are aping South films. Everything is cyclical. Competitiveness itni बढ़ गई है that everyone has to sort of pull up their socks and have their A game out there.
Right.
One of the major factors is also the world getting smaller. Today you're not making movies or stories which are region specific. They are not tribe specific. They are far more universal in nature. For example, I have a film releasing on the 9th of August called Phir Aayi Haseen Dilruba.
Right.
It will come on Netflix. It is going to be screened in 192 countries
Simultaneously.
The moment it is launched.
Right.
So today what I also need to be mindful of is not just creating a regional specific or cultural specific experience. It has to be universal in nature. Today there are people in East Africa who are watching my movie with subtitles on.
Yeah.
There are people in Mongolia who are watching a Hindi movie with subtitles on.
Right.
So today content, you make content, you are online, you are catering to the world. I'm sure you want it to be universal in nature for you to sort of reach out to as many people as you can.
Sure.
Family, for that matter, is a universal concept. You're so driven by the concept of family. We are talking about family. सिमिलरली स्टोरी टेलिंग में भी हो रहा है, सिनेमा में भी हो रहा है. अच्छी चीज़ें जो होती हैं वो लोग देखते हैं. एक तो लैक ऑफ अटेंशन तो वैसे ही हमारा है. टुडे वी आर सो accustomed to 20-second reels.
Yeah.
Sitting and watching a 20-minute episode is also a task.
Yeah.
तो वो सारी चीज़ें हैं. We have to be adaptable with time.
Right.
You know, or adaptability is the key to survival.
Right.
We have to adapt and we have to survive. And I think all of us, because it is an intrinsic part of our DNA, our nature, we will adapt even without us realizing we are. So it is an ongoing journey. You know, there is no definite stop point to anything. This is where we are now.
Right.
That is where we were in 2020 when COVID hit us. Maybe 5 years from now, we'll be doing things which we haven't even fathomed about now.
Right.
Which could be the norm then.
No, I see what you mean. As a consumer, right, it is my definite impression that stuff that has started to come out on, like, even for that matter, Haseen Dilruba, which is the first one, and now you have a sequel coming out, right? It's such a pulp fiction kind of like, it's so interesting to watch. The texture of the film is so interesting to watch. The pace, the cadence, the angles of characters, that it just does not resemble. And don't get me wrong, like, I think Hindi cinema was peaking in comedy back in like 2010 and a little bit before that.
Even in the 90s.
In the 90s, I mean, I was born in 95, so I don't have a lot of recollection of that. But like watching Welcome, Dhamal, oh my God, I can still binge those movies.
You can go back and the same. I'm sorry to butt in,
please,
but
no.
My father says that the comedy movies that they saw in the 70s and the 80s.
Right.
I mean, अरे यार, ये वही है. ये nostalgic.
ये nostalgia है. Right.
Nostalgic pride होता है.
हाँ.
You know, मेरे father के लिए बलराज साहनी से अच्छा एक्टर नहीं है कोई.
हाँ.
मेरी माँ के लिए सत्यजीत रे से बड़ा डायरेक्टर नहीं है.
हाँ.
तो वो है, वो generational pride है एक.
Right.
तो वो तो रहेगा ही.
Right.
And when you have your own child, or when you raise your own family, ये this is natural. ये हमारे से पहले भी रहा है, हमारे बाद भी रहेगा ये.
Right. No, you're right. There is something between the ages of like 19 and 23, 24 where you're like most nostalgic about in some way.
कि आज भी अगर फॉर एग्जाम्पल चलते चलते अगर कुमार सानू का या उदित नारायण का गाना चलता है, मैं सुनता हूँ उसे. पर तब जब वो चलता था, आई वुड बी लाइक, क्या है, हटाओ इसको यार. प्ले माइकल जैक्सन, प्ले जॉर्ज माइकल.
Right.
You know, that was cool for us.
That is the music you grew up on?
Yeah.
Michael Jackson, George
Michael Jackson, George Michael, Ace of Base, Enigma, pop culture basically, Backstreet Boys, Boyzone, WWF, Sachin Tendulkar's. तो मतलब I am a pure 90s bred boy.
Yeah. I was watching a reel from Hip Hip Hooray. You remember that TV show? Oh my God. I used to remember my older brother, sister, like all fanboying, fangirling about it. Yeah. That was a very different time, huh?
Yeah, crazy time.
Nostalgia always gets you there.
ब्रदर, ये क्वेश्चंस और ये पॉडकास्ट सुन के आपके भी दिमाग के चक्षु खुले ना. सो सब्सक्राइब टू दिस सो दैट यू कैन वॉच आवर पॉडकास्ट इन स्मॉल बिट्स एंड क्लिप्स व्हाइल यू आर बिजी एंड वेस्टिंग योर लाइफ अवे.